Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear all friends. I hope that you all are doing well. Alhamdulillah. It's English period for class 2 and class 2. Today we are going to continue our grammar section from our workbook. But before moving to that, let's recite dua. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi zidni ilma. Ameen summa ameen. So students, today we are going to do revision of parts of speech that is given in your workbook on page number 38. There are 8 parts of speech in grammar, but today we are going to do exercise related to 4 parts of speech. These are noun, verb, adjective and preposition. It is very simple exercise that when you will do that exercise, you will enjoy. Here is your workbook and on page number 38 this exercise is given, and what you will have to do I am telling you. In this exercise the sentences are given to you and you have to categorize noun, verb, adjective and preposition in that sentences if these are given. For example, I have taken first sentence from your workbook, which is Ali is sitting in a beautiful garden on a wooden bench. Now, after reading this sentence, you have to find out that what are nouns given in this sentence, what are the verbs given in this sentence, adjective or preposition. So, let's begin it. We have read the sentence that Ali is sitting in a beautiful garden on a wooden bench. First, we have to find out the noun. That where are the nouns? Ali, is this a noun? Yes, this is a noun because the noun are naming words. So this is a noun. So we will underline it and we will write it under the column of noun. Now here this is not any part of speech for writing here. Then sitting is a noun, verb, adjective or a preposition. Yes, it is a verb. Why it is a verb? Because it is an action word. So that's why we will write this word over here. Good. Next we have in a beautiful garden. Now, I am thinking that here is a preposition given. Now, where is that preposition given? Yes, here it is, in. It is telling the position of Ali. So, here is in. Okay. Now, move on further. Beautiful garden. Now, we can see here that the word beautiful is describing the garden and garden is a noun. So, we find out that there are 2 parts of speech given that are beautiful and garden. So, garden will be written in the column of noun and the beautiful word will be written in the adjective column. Why? Because it is a describing verb for noun. Next we have on a wooden bench. Now, here you can see the word on is telling us the position. So, this word will be written in the column of preposition. So, here it will be done in this way. Then, wooden bench. Now, you can see here that this word is describing the bench. That which type of bench it is? It is wooden bench. So, wooden bench is a describing word. So, it will come over here. And the next one, bench. Bench is a thing and name of a thing, so it will be written in the column of noun. So, this is how you will have to do the given exercise on page number 38. That is really simple. You know noun, that nouns are naming word, verbs are action words, adjectives are describing word for noun, and preposition are those words which tell us the position of anything. So, this is how you will have to do that exercise. Now, I am ending here. Start your written task now in your workbook. If you have any question, you can ask me. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.